Customizing prompts for specific tasks. In today's presentation, we will explore the concept of customizing prompts for specific tasks. Prompts are the starting point for any conversational interaction, and by tailoring them to your needs, you can enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of your interactions. Whether you're using a virtual assistant, chatbot, or any other conversational interface, understanding how to customize prompts can help you get the most out of these tools. Prompts are the initial questions or statements that a conversational interface presents to the user. They serve as a guide, helping the user understand the type of information or action that is expected. By customizing prompts, you can ensure that the interface is aligned with your specific needs and preferences, leading to more accurate and relevant responses. One key aspect of customizing prompts is understanding the context of your task. Different tasks may require different types of information or phrasing. For example, if you're using a virtual assistant to schedule a meeting, a prompt like, "When would you like to schedule the meeting?" would be more appropriate than a generic, "How can I help you?" prompt. Another important consideration is the language and tone of the prompts. Depending on your preferences and the intended audience, you may want to use more formal or casual language or adjust the level of detail in the prompts. For instance, a prompt for a technical audience might be more concise and use industry-specific terminology, while a prompt for a general audience might be more conversational and use plain language. Customizing prompts can also involve incorporating user-specific information or preferences. For example, if you're using a virtual assistant to manage your calendar, you might want to include your name or other personal details in the prompts to make the interaction feel more personalized. To illustrate the concept of customizing prompts, let's consider a simple example. Imagine you're using a virtual assistant to order a pizza. A generic prompt might be, "How can I help you?" Instead, a more customized prompt could be, "Hi, your name. What type of pizza would you like to order today?" This prompt not only addresses you by name, but also provides a clear indication of the task at hand, making the interaction more intuitive and efficient. In summary, customizing prompts for specific tasks is an important aspect of enhancing the effectiveness and user-friendliness of conversational interfaces. By considering the context, language, and personalization of prompts, you can create a more tailored and engaging experience that better meets your needs and preferences. As you continue to interact with various conversational tools, remember to explore the options for customizing prompts to optimize your experience. In conclusion, customizing prompts for specific tasks is a valuable skill that can help you get the most out of your interactions with conversational interfaces. By understanding the importance of context, language, and personalization, you can create prompts that are tailored to your needs and preferences, leading to more accurate and relevant responses. As you continue to explore the world of conversational AI, remember to keep these principles in mind and experiment with different ways to customize your prompts for optimal results.